Question?
No, I'm just following along. I'm interested.
All right. Are we going to go to dinner or?
I have one more.
One more question. Yes?
It's not a question, actually, it's a concern. I've been thinking about it for years that I work at the academy. Actually, every year I teach one and the same, right? I teach history.
Really? Wait, really? One and I don't.
No. That's the problem. As you mentioned, that what you have taught last year, it's gone. It's wiped up or whatever, and that's absolutely right. But whenever I read different books or what interests me, history as general, every time I come up with different interpretation of the textbook, of the readings, and it seems to me that I'm provoking them to choose the direction of discussion which interests actually me, and I don't exactly know what they are interested in.
No, but you see, you're a treasure house of alternatives. You know, we love you because every time you teach this, you come up with some other crazy thing, and we want to know what it is. Because, well, we don't have to be crazy like you, but we might be able to use it, you know?
Okay, but you told us that, and it was very it was shocking on Tuesday that, why are you not interested? What are the questions that students are interested in? So, it means that my scope of interest is dominating over their natural needs.
Mm-hmm.
And it means that I'm just not sincere, and I don't work hard, actually, right? What interests me? Yes.
I'm going to get the prayer mat out here pretty soon. So, no, questions. This is what the journals do, and this is why I would say these kids. You need to remember the kinds of questions that they ask, and I should be teaching. I need to go in armed, okay, so I don't have to follow a sort of single path. I'm ready to field whatever happens, so I'm watching them as they walk into class, and they're a little bit energetic, you know, so I'm going to start maybe a little different way, but I know essentially where I'm going to go with this, but I have so many ways to get there, okay? And so they definitely contribute, okay? But I'm after their minds, all right? And ultimately, I'm going to get them.
Looking at this cube, I had the idea that I designed something like curriculum for my creative writing course. Now, all the things are, you know, what you did with me. I mean, what will be your... I mean, I'm scared.
No, don't.
I'm freaking out. Yeah, so tell me what will be your advice that, you know, I'm on the stage of like having so many handouts and readings and proto-texts and stuff like this, you know, like experimenting with all this material.
Ketka, that's the way it goes, you know? I mean, you're developing this stuff. You're thinking about it. You're writing the journals, okay? Yeah. You got other teachers that are teaching it. So you're doing it, okay? I've just sort of formalized this, okay?
So I have to come up with another...
No, you don't have to follow this at all, okay?
Yeah.
When you do something, it works, and you're satisfied in one group with one block. You do the same in another, and it's a disaster.
But okay, good. So you, instead of ignoring that and going home and crying, okay, you need to record that, because we need to know what went wrong there. Why? I had this perfect lesson. With A block, it went, you know, they were wild. And with B block, it died. Why? You know, and that's, you've got to record that. And people have to know. Yeah, people have to know that, well, you know, if things could go this way, so you have to be prepared. That's what I mean by being armed. You know, pistols and so forth, you know, ready to fire. You're going to let me go now?
Thank you.
Thank you much.